Yeah, bless up my people. Big up on yourself. You don't know the thing. Go. New link there and idea, you know, people. See, and boy, me I tell you. And news has reached New Link people, and me I tell you, say it's a terrible thing, you know. It's really a terrible thing. We happen down in a Trelawny, the people. Now look a place they call them Kinlass or Cross or what they want to call it. But me I tell the people, it's a terrible, terrible thing. John, because here I go on, and my viewers and my subscribers, see? Here I go on. You see, sometime, before me even go into it, I just say a thing. You see, sometime, you see some killer, or some bad man, some murderer, some gunman. When they are prison, better them tan there, you know. You see? It better them tan there. Yo, better than the part of bail or nothing. Me I tell you the truth, people. Because here we go on now, right? They said that down in a Trelawny, the same place me I tell you, see? You have a bad boy down there, you know. A gangster down there, real gangster. Having gang and crew and everything. So this man, they at jail for several months, you know what I mean, for some crime. When they press the charge, but you don't get charged with them yet, so they do out on bail. You see me as people, you have a nickname them call him Beanie Man. So his recent charge was for a gun and for robbery and them things. So him dey on bail and them say him in a community up there in a Trelawny people. The same community me I tell about. See him in a park here that a Thursday about 10 a.m. just like you see me done. So then in park here, maybe I listen to some music or thing, or you know what I mean, maybe I plan to go deal with that thing I mentioned or something. When a gunman pounce upon him and fire several shots, hit him in a car, kill him. See? So it is said that later in the night now, because I don't know, say a top man, me tell us them killing the people. So later in the night now at about 10 p.m., a couple, see? This man is a taxi driver, 52-year-old. He's a painter also, and them say he's a popular taxi driver in the place to see. As we tell you, he's a painter also, and he have in common law wife people, them are way see me up on the thumbnail. So they said that them didn't know people in them house. When gunman kick open the door, because look at board house, they have no people, and no rich people, them they look at board house, and you don't know, you have to give you when a man can build in look house, no people, respect that, you know, because no people now know if you live in there. You get me answer, the people, them try life and build in look house, and they relax. You see people, when they kick open the door, come in upon them people, and fire several, then question them first. To the news they reach New Link and say, yo, like them ask them about a person, because that are the person who them that thinks say, yo, kill the man who dead in a people, because I tell you say my gangster having crew everything. So the whole part, you know what I mean? Man I go want to kill back man and them something because for them big man dead. So it is said that them just start shoot them up. Maybe they get what they want or them not get what they want, them just start shoot them up people and them kill the two people them. See? So the police them done a Trelawny now and say, yo, this is like a reprisal killing for the man who dead earlier in the day. See? And I tell people like you can't catch Quack or you catch him shot. And at that New Link I tell enough people say, enough innocent people are dead at Jamaica because a family member with them got. You have some look at dirty thinking family now. Who go mixing the ranks, who go mixing the gang thing now. Them kill people, them gone other places, gone otherwise and left. The lone look a painter boy now, painter man now, and him look a innocent wife. Look, they look at the two look at people and people. Kill them dead. See? Them people maybe don't know nothing about what that man they are doing. You know? Maybe one of their son, maybe a man brother, maybe a woman. You know what I mean? But them know say it's a close family, maybe and maybe at the end of the day too. And even that the person that kill the man who they want. But as me I tell the people, that be a thing. See? So a gunman dead, bad man dead, but look them. Two innocent people life gone back at that. And me I say look on it now. If that the man did still there prison my people. See? If them two people would have dead. Because you do have the man if you come kill him in a prison there, so and you do have you say them the people and you know what I mean people. So I tell my viewers and my subscribers something I go on at Jamaica where it's not normal. It's not normal people. Every day we are begging man them. Look into this my viewers and my subscribers. In if you kill a man, him dead and him gone. You think you take your man life and him life gone. Zin, boy no idea where you go inherit this so. Because remember somebody come take you out, you know. Maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you are going to get take out, remember New Link. But if you say you are going to live till you are 90 or 100, you know, when you kill it. How much money you hear murder, much people live for how long? How much of them you hear live for how long? Zin, you them need to look at that man. Start waste time, yo. Better when you go take a plane and fly go somewhere that they are go on one island out just to go live and relax on yourself. Go over Goat Island or them place to go live and relax or go over the island over there so them do the fish them up there so and go chill and go catch some fish and sell some fish. Zin? And start wasting your life, brother. We not wasting your life too much out and not killing innocent people. And all of you that we are mix the ranks and set up on the family. See if you mix the ranks or you go mess with that bad man out there. When you find yourself a bad man, then they make them take you out before man then go take out to the family them and stop set up on the family life. See, because yo, I tell my viewers and my subscribers. Remember there are people they are cool out, the sun hot like a fire. Yeah man, sun hot my people. Don't know my viewers and I say the sun hot like a fire right now. Me a burn up. Me even AC can't cool, but me have to lock off the AC and a cool and I try to get cool by just the wind with the sun people. I don't know the thing. Yeah man, I'm big up each and every one of the subscribers them and I don't know new link, love and new link, appreciate everything on our day. See? We are not share the video them, we are not spread new link and every one of the new subscribers them from board. Big up on yourself man. Don't know a thing, we have a big up in all the new people them from board. Big up in the thousands and thousands all over one of them. See? Who like Caribbean country them big up man. Especially big up the St. Vincent and the Grenadiers car. Don't know new link, bigger them place them. Grenada, see me as it. The link up a promoter them so you know one new link in a place to come host to show them. See me I say Trinidad and Tobago Bahamas. See me I say St. Kitts and Nevis. See me link up the promoter them when they need new link. See me Barbados over St. Thomas the sub. The whole of the US Virgin Islands them. Jamaica, Turks and Caicos. See me the whole of USA same way. The whole of over England, Canada everywhere. Big up on yourself man. See me tell the promoter them in a Belize. All over see you when they need new link to come host to show them. We not call the promoter. We promoters link up. See me? New link to need to come deal with something in the place. Need to make my fans them and great my fans.